Welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesians in Bellflower, California are hard at work creating a safe and welcoming environment for young people by offering training to become a Salesian missionary volunteer at Camp Savio. The 5-week program runs from the end of June throughout the whole of July in 2023, and training has already begun with around 160 young people present at St. Dominic Savio Church. These young volunteers are committed to attending training sessions every Friday for the next 15 weeks to learn how to become effective camp counselors. As part of the training, they will review topics such as growth mindset, burnout prevention, best practices for counselors, child psychology, child development, and comfort zones, among other leadership topics. The ultimate goal of this training is to help young people grow as good Christians and honest citizens while also developing skills for their summer experience. In recent months, the youth ministry sector has promoted an update of the Oratory Youth Center sector of the reference framework for youth ministry. The objective is to guarantee the originality and educational and pastoral specificity of these 2,470 centers, and secondly, to focus on the crucial issues of the pastoral life of the Oratory Youth Center and in particular the different challenges of the contexts. The provincial commissions are making many suggestions on the oratory, understood as an environment, whether festive or daily, intended especially for young people, children and pre-adolescents, and similarly on the youth center, intended especially for adolescents and young adults, with various proposals for integral maturation with the prevalence of group methodology for human and Christian commitment. The team visit to the Salesian region of America Southern Cone concluded on Friday, March 24th at the retreat house El Cenaculo La Montanera, led by the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, with the participation of his vicar, Father Stefano Matlogio, sector councillors, formation, youth ministry, social communication, missions and economy, regional councillor, Father Gabriel Romero, and the councils of the provinces of Don Bosco Salesians in Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Paraguay and Uruguay. Father Gildacio Mendes, General Counsellor for Social Communication, then offered the Good Morning Thought. His talk focused on consecrated identity and presence in virtual courtyards. He also spoke about dreaming as the art of communication, relating this to Don Bosco's 9-year dream and the vision he had at the end of his life in the one Mass he celebrated in the Church of the Sacred Heart in Rome. Finally, regarding new forms of communication, Father Mendes said, "The challenges of communication are knowing how to listen, knowing how to discern, and being able to dialogue." Reverend Sister Philomena Matthew, the Superior General of the Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians, MSMHC, and her Assistant General Reverend Sister Christine Minsong visited the PNG mission from the 16th to the 20th of March 2023. Less than a year after their new venture in PNG, the MSMHC sisters were privileged to have the major superiors visit this mission land. Early on the 17th of March, the two sisters have engraved in their memory their interaction with students of Don Bosco Technical School Gabutu DBTS during the school's morning assembly. "God sees you, He is everywhere, walk in His presence." This was the advice from the Superior General to the young and energetic students. Speaking to the students, Sister Christine Minsong explained to the students about the changes during adolescence and the need to accept and seek guidance from the senior members of their community. The two Indian sisters were warmly welcomed by the Gabutu community of the Salesians under the leadership of the rector, Father Pedro Sachi Tula, SDB. 60 animators from the presences of the Salesians of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians of Tunisia met on the 21st of March at the school in Menzel for a day of training and meeting. A first training day had been organized in December 2022 on the theme, Educating for Peace, a great novelty for all these young people, marked by joy in training, group sharing, games and reflections on their mission as animators. The day on March 21st focused on the Sustainable Development Goals with a focus on peace. The training session was led by Samar, the mother of two felicitators, through 3 hours of activities in Arabic, French and English. Meanwhile, the less experienced learned the basics of animation with Father Danny L. Hayek, SDB, and French priest Father Jacques Bertrand. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.